What's up, everyone? Here live with our 4-box break of Heritage Minor League. I will get off and going here in 1 minute. Drop a comment, let me know who's in hanging out. And looks like it's 11 o'clock on my side, so here we go. Good luck. We've got 2 autos in each of our Heritage Minor boxes here. Good luck. Here we go. Tons of big names in here. Elly De La Cruz, James Wood, Jackson Chourio. We got 3 box toppers in each. Alright, your box toppers. Swarming Bernabel, Nelson Velasquez, and James Wood. Rip open, grab a couple more sleeves here. Sleeve up all our box toppers. Alright, box number 1. Good luck. Pack's always visible from that top right camera as well. And our variations, if there is any in here, will be flipped over, so won't have to search the backs for those. Alright, box number 1, here we go. Good luck. Mark Vientos. And Isaac Pacheco black out of 50 for the Tigers. Nice starts. Isaac Pacheco black out of 50. 19 out of 50 there for the Tigers. Start that one off in Hulk. Reed Trimble, Gunnar Henderson, Brandon Williamson inserts, and Jonathan Clase, base auto for the Mariners. First auto here out of box 1. Clase for the Mariners. Austin Hendrick. Mason Wynn. Dalen Lyle. Kevin Alcantara for the Cubs. Onion Sosa. Emerson Hancock, Jackson Merrill, Frank Mazzucato, and Jordan Fiers. Second auto here out of box 1 for the Phillies. Fiers, underrated prospects. Struggled at the minor league level so far, but Philly's hoping he can turn into something. Angeles for the Athletics. Mercado, Bo Jackson, Kyle Manzardo, and Glenn Allen Hill Jr. for the Diamondbacks. Ryan Spikes, great baseball name. Sal Frelick for the Brewers. James Triantos, Diego Cartaya, Elvis Martinez, Michael Toglia, and blue Darren Baker for the Nationals out of 99. Dusty Baker's son, Darren Baker out of 99. He was at that World Series win when just this past season when Dusty got his first World Series championship. Alright, that wraps up box 1. Box number 2. Box toppers: Henry Davis, Colton Cowser, and Jose Ramos. Davis for the Pittsburgh Pirates, Cowser for the Orioles, Jose Ramos for the Dodgers. Alright, box 2. Alright, box number 2. Good luck. Urbina, Nick York, Andy Pages, Gage of Workman for the Tigers, Harry Ford, and blue auto for the Tigers, Roberto Campos out of 99 for the Tigers. Nice hit. Campos out of 99 for the Tigers. Bump the Pacheco black there. Moreno, Oswaldo Cabrera, Evan Carter, Jackson Merrill, Zach Veen, Freitas Nova for the Astros, Jordan Vyers, and green, Kyron Paris for the Angels out of 75. Kyron Paris for the Angels. Corbett Vivas, Rainer Bonacci, Taj Bradley, and Daryl Hernandez base auto for the Orioles. Second auto here out of box 2. Hernandez base auto. Luis Gonzalez. Ellie De La Cruz. Matt McLean. Patino for the Diamondbacks. Yuri Perez. Colson Montgomery. Jordan Lawyer. Elvis Martinez. Alex Ramirez. Max Ferguson. Denzer Guzman. Joe Gray Jr. And that wraps up box 2. Alright. Solid box number 2. Stash our base here. And box number 3. Box toppers, Angeles Athletics, Acuna, Luis Angel Acuna, Rangers, Dominguez, Yankees, alright, box 3. Gage Tater Workman. What a middle name, Tater. Alright, box 3. Good luck. Mark Vientos. And here we go. Redemption auto for the White Sox. Colson Montgomery. Real one, a redemption auto. Base auto for the White Sox. Nice hits. Colson Montgomery. Brian Rocio, Gunnar Henderson for the Orioles, Corbin Carroll, Austin Martin, Yoelqui Cespedes, Angeles, Yanni Cavaco, Jordan Lawyer, Noah Miller, Eddie's Leonard, JC Correa, Kobe Mayo for the Orioles, Henry Mendez base auto for the Brewers. Looks like an image variation. Nope. It's a nice photo for an auto. Henry Mendez for the Brewers. Alright, Reed Trimble looking for some color here to close out box 3. Tyler Soderstrom. Justin Foscue. Howlett. And there we go, Marco Luciano for the Giants on the blue out of 99. Nice hit. 79 out of 99 on the Luciano blue. Jose Rodriguez. Jeter Downs. Jeter Downs was cut by the release from the 40-man roster by the Red Sox the other day after being a key piece of that Mookie Betts trade. And the Nationals picked him up. Hoping he gets it. I mean, I'm sure he'll get a chance over in Washington, but hope he performs after being kicked around so many times. Originally with the Reds, went from the Reds to the Dodgers to the Red Sox, and cut by the Red Sox. Ultimately, I believe, just he wasn't performing enough at the minor league level. And I mean, last year they had a crowded infield with Devers, Bogarts, Trevor Story, and all the moving spots at first base. Originally, it was, well, obviously they're still hoping Tristan Cassis is going to perform, but had a mix of Eric Hosmer at the end of the year with Michael Chavis was in there until he was sent over to the Pirates. Your box stoppers here: Campos Tigers, Meyer Red Sox, and Walker Cardinals. So I think overall really didn't get the opportunity he was hoping for in Boston. So hopefully in Washington does get a chance. Obviously with the Nationals taking a whole new approach after that World Series championship in 2019. Kind of cleared house and trying to start back up, build something with lots of young prospects. Josiah Gray. Got Josiah Gray there. Tons of prospects from the Nationals. They got James Wood now. Shortstop who was played in the majors a little bit with the Nationals, but didn't perform. C.J. Abrams didn't quite perform how people expected. So interesting spot for Jeter Downs, and hoping he gets some playing time and performs in Washington. Correct, he was part of a pitcher trade to the Reds back in 2019 or 2018. Reds picked up a couple pitchers to help the Dodgers clear some there we go. How about that for the Reds? Speaking of them, Elly De La Cruz base auto for the Cincinnati Reds. There we go. Ellie De La Cruz, base auto. And that will bump the Campos here out of Hulk. And Campos. We'll move into the Hernandez spot. Alright, what a hit. There we go. Lost my train of thought, but Downs was traded for a couple pitchers years ago, which kind of started his journey. Obviously, really no chance in LA. He played a little in AAA, mostly in AA there, but with the Dodgers always having such a crowded infield for years at the major league level, a majority of their infield prospects were either kicked to the outfield or traded for, other pieces. Out of 50, Brian Bueves for the Athletics. Out of 50. Brian Bueves, black out of 50. Jordan Vyers. Winsel Perez for the Tigers. Cesar Prieto. Right, and 1.5 year to go. Got a little gold popping through here. Another hit for the Reds, Matt McLain. With the Cincinnati Reds again on the gold out of 25. How about that? Two beautiful autos here out of box 4 for the Reds. Matt McLain out of 25 and Ellie De La Cruz base auto. McLain, another big name in their system. Nice hit. Mendez moving off the showcase now for McLain. Alright, solid box 4 here so far. Hopefully, maybe one more numbered card here to end it, but can't complain about that box at all. Alex Benelis for the Red Sox. Jordan McCants. Bobby Witt Jr. And remainder of box 4. Kyron Paris. Kevin Alcantara. Lenyon Sosa for the White Sox. Vladdy Guerrero. And that will wrap up the break. What a break. Autos really solid overall, and quite a few solid boxes there. Alright. I am going to get off and going on a recap. If you're headed out for the night, thanks guys for hanging out. I am back live tomorrow afternoon starting at 1 o'clock. We got Update Chrome, Platinum Anniversary, Optic Football, Stadium Club, and then some Topps Holiday tomorrow night. After that, we are back Saturday night. So hope to see you guys both those days. Alright, your box toppers. Walker, Cardinals. Meyer, Red Sox. Campos, Tigers. Dominguez, Yankees. Acuna, Rangers. Angeles, Athletics. Ramos, Dodgers. Cowser, Orioles. Davis, Pirates. Wood, Padres. Velasquez, Cubs. Warming, Bernabel, Rockies. Color here. Brian Bueves, black out of 50 for the Athletics. Kyron Paris, green out of 75 for the Angels. Luciano out of 99 for the Giants. Baker out of 99 for the Nationals. And your showcase, Isaac Pacheco, black, 19 out of 50 for the Tigers. Also for the Tigers, Roberto Campos, blue auto, out of 99. Jordan Vyers, base auto for the Phillies. Forgot our other base autos here, my bad. Henry Mendez for the Brewers. Daryl Hernandez for the Orioles. Jonathan Clase for the Mariners. Colson Montgomery on the Real One Auto Redemption for the White Sox. And two beautiful Reds hits here. They're going in Hulk together. Your Hulk Smash hits of the break. Ellie De La Cruz base auto. And Matt McLain gold auto. Number 2 out of 25. Beautiful hits for the Reds. Alright, thanks everyone for hanging out here tonight. I will see you all back here tomorrow afternoon. Have a great rest of your night, and I'll see you guys then. Thanks everyone. Bye-bye.